So, of course, today we are going to be doing something with a little bit of this. Elmer's metallic slime. Elmer's slime is not sponsoring this video. So let's get right into the video. This is metallic slime. And here's everything that we'll be using today. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so we have one bowl here. And now, first oh man, we need one more thing. What was that? Okay, so first we pour one. Okay, let me go get the other. This is going to be our first ingredient. The metallic, Elmer's metallic glue. Okay, so we're gonna use this. But we're gonna use the red one instead. Today we will be making the red one. So here's 5 ounces, or OZ. So let's pour it in. And now we have all 5 OZs of Elmer's metallic glue in it. Add 2 teaspoons of Elmer's magical liquid and mix well. Then add a little bit of thyme, about 1 teaspoon worth. Okay, let's do that. Now we have our 1 tablespoon of Elmer's magical liquid. We pour it in here. And then when it's all poured, I'm just going to wash my hands real quick. I'll tell you the next. Stir in the magical liquid until it becomes harder and harder to mix. The slime begins to form. Okay, let's do that. Okay. This isn't hard enough yet, but now it's hard enough to mix, okay? Okay, now that we have that done, take the slime out and begin kneading with both of your hands. Enjoy your new shimmery slime. I'm not gonna lie, I think I did something wrong, but it is going pretty well. It feels so weird. I wish you guys could feel it through that screen that you're watching it on. Yeah, I know that's supposed to be coming off really quick.
Do something wrong. Probably. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace out.
I'm supposed to put 2 teaspoons of magical liquid in, not 1. So please like, subscribe, and peace out. Whoa!